guys, welcome to my channel. It's Liv, and if you're new to my channel, hey, how you doing? What's good? Welcome to the channel. So in today's video, I will be showing you guys how I make my amazing iced coffee. I will be showing you guys the tricks, the ins and outs of how to achieve the perfect iced coffee without getting your coffee watered down. Yes, I got a trick for that. So if you're here for this video and you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel. It will help me out a lot, especially if you've been watching a couple of my videos and I'm just not I'm not surprised that you're not like subscribed to my channel, but you need to be subscribed to my channel if you got this far. So yeah, now if you're here for this iced coffee tutorial recipe and you want to know what my tricks are, then please keep on watching. Into this. Now, before I start, I want to go ahead and show you guys my tips and tricks on how I keep my iced coffee like cold but not being watered down. So it is summertime, so who's got time for a steaming hot mug of coffee? I don't. So I like to make my iced coffee way ahead of time, like the day before, but I don't put in any ice cubes just yet. So the trick to keeping my iced coffee cold without being watered down, of course, involves an ice tray. But instead of putting water in my ice tray, you put coffee in the ice tray. I know you guys are like, but hear me out. So in this cup, I do already have coffee cubes already made way ahead of time. So what I like to do is brew black coffee. I add a little bit of sugar to it, put it in my ice tray the night before, and voila, coffee cubes. And this is my trick that I use all the time to keep my coffee not from just being watered down, but to also keep the coffee tasting like coffee, you know, with coffee cubes. I hope I'm making sense, but this is a great tip on how I keep my coffee iced and not watered down. So enough of that about that. Let's get into the rest of the tutorial, and I hope you guys are ready for it, and I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. already just saw my little tutorial on how I make my my coffee cubes. So now we're going to get into this coffee and what I normally do to make the most amazing iced coffee base. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in a teaspoon, no, I'm going to put in 2 teaspoons of sugar because I like my coffee sweet but not too sweet. And it is really up to your preference whether you want to add flavors in your coffee or not. And this time I am going to go with some chocolate and some caramel flavoring. So I am going to put that's about half a teaspoon of chocolate syrup and half a teaspoon of caramel syrup, and I am going to put this in my Keurig and I'm going to coffee. All I'm going to do is give that a quick stir. And I'm going to put the top on. I'm going to place this in the refrigerator overnight, and I'm going to come back tomorrow and I'm going to show you guys how I do my coffee after that. So stay tuned. Good morning, you guys. So it is the next day. Let's just say last night was like crazy because my son decides I'm gonna wake up about 2:30 in the morning and keep you guys up. So it's been hectic. We've been up all night trying to get him to go to sleep, and he finally went to sleep about 6:15, something like that. So it's perfect that I need my coffee. So let me show you guys how I finish my coffee. My coffee weight, I have my coffee cubes and I have my creamer. Now you can use any type of creamer that you want, but the creamer I decided to use is the Silk Almond Creamer, and this is amazing, especially if milk messes with you, which milk really messes with me, so always find a non-dairy option. So what I'm going to do is get these coffee cubes and go ahead and pour them in, and then gently that looks beautiful. And you see the color contrast where the creamer sits at the bottom and the coffee sits at the top. It's just perfect. Excuse my son this morning. He is still cranky. What I like to do is put the top on, give it a little shake, and that is my coffee. Oh my god, you guys don't know how much I need this coffee this morning. But that is my iced coffee tutorial. I thank you guys for tuning into this video. Give it a thumbs up green and comment down below what you like to put in your coffee. Do you prefer your coffee just regular, piping hot, or iced? I will leave the recipe to this iced coffee and how to do the iced coffee cubes down below in the description box, so you guys do not miss a thing. I really like sharing my tips and tricks with you guys when it comes to food. So be ready to see a little bit of more food content on this channel. So I thank you guys for tuning in to this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Cheers. Bye.